Hi. You gonna crawl and get Harper? Go get Harper. Calvin. Oh, that was close. You're getting there. Whoa. You don't want to be videoed anymore? Hi. You gonna crawl over here? Or over there? Oh, Calvin, that's pretty good. Good. Oh, yay. Is that as good as it gets for now? Come here. I know it's hard work. Come here. Oh, okay.